Give me some hiking tips and tricks, but factor in that I need to bring a full-size table and my cat.
Artificial intelligence has undeniably changed the backpacking game. Whether it's planning your route, staying safe on trail, packing the right gear, or even connecting with other hikers, AI has quietly but significantly improved the outdoor experience. And the best part, we're just getting started. As we know it so far, this is the tip of the iceberg. This video just goes over a couple of the cool things it can do. There are unlimited options for this thing's opportunities. So as AI continues to evolve, we can even expect more tools to enhance our outdoor adventures. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll have AI-powered gear or AI-driven drones that go ahead and scout out the perfect campsite or current trail conditions for fire closures or animals ahead. Who knows? Let me know down in the comments how you use AI or what you envision we could use it for in the future. I look forward to checking them out below. Keep watching because in this next clip, I'm going to include a real-time conversation that I had with two different AI models. A quick conversation about backpacking and hiking, and I threw a couple comical scenarios to it just to see what it would give me back. I'll link the two different apps that I use below in the description. Try them out yourself and comment below and tell me what they came back with yours.
Give me some hiking tips and tricks, but factor in that I need to bring a full-size table and my cat.
Absolutely, hiking with a full-size table and your cat can be quite the adventure. Here are some tips and tricks to make your hike enjoyable and manageable. Hiking with your cat. Leash training. Start by getting your cat comfortable with a harness and leash. Practice indoors and in your backyard before hitting the trails. Cat backpack. Invest in a sturdy cat backpack. This allows your cat to rest when tired and keeps them safe from potential dangers. Essentials. Bring a travel water bowl, plenty of water, and some of your cat's favorite treats. A small first aid kit for pets can also be handy. Choose the right trail. Opt for trails that are not too crowded and have a moderate difficulty level. This will make the experience less stressful for your cat. Respect your cat's limits. Pay attention to your cat's behavior. If they seem stressed or tired, give them a break or consider heading back. Bringing a full-size table. Portable table. Look for a lightweight, foldable table that is easy to carry. Options like the Portal camping table are great as they are compact and come with a carry bag. Setup and breakdown. Practice setting up and breaking down the table at home. This will save time and effort on the trail. Balance and stability. Ensure the table is set up on a flat surface to avoid any accidents. Some tables come with adjustable legs to help with uneven ground. Multi-use. Use the table for various activities like meal prep, dining, or even as a workstation for your videos. It can also serve as a safe spot for your cat to rest. General hiking tips. Pack light. Since you're carrying extra gear, try to minimize other items. Bring only the essentials like water, snacks, a first aid kit, and navigation tools. Stay hydrated. Both you and your cat need to stay hydrated. Carry enough water for both of you and take regular breaks. Weather check. Always check the weather forecast before heading out. Avoid hiking in extreme weather conditions. Leave no trace. Follow the leave no trace principles to keep the trails clean and preserve nature. Enjoy your hike and make some great memories with your cat. Do you have a specific trail in mind for your next adventure?
Next, weather in the backcountry can be unpredictable, and being caught off guard can turn a great hike into a dangerous situation. This is where AI, real-time weather forecasting, comes into play. By processing massive amounts of data, much more than we can do, from satellites and weather stations, AI can predict sudden shifts in weather with a level of accuracy never seen before. To give you an example, apps like Dark Sky and Windy AI use artificial intelligence to send real-time weather alerts to you. Whether it's about an incoming storm or temperature drop, these apps keep you informed, helping you decide to push on or to set up camp for the night where you are. Give it a try. Use AI to make your next decision in the backcountry. One of the most practical ways AI is helping backpackers is through advanced route planning. Gone are the days of relying on old paper maps and old basic GPS. AI-powered apps like AllTrails, Gaia GPS, and Google Maps are using machine learning algorithms to analyze terrain, user reviews, weather patterns, and more to recommend these routes for your adventure. These apps don't just tell you the shortest from A to B. They can suggest routes based on your fitness levels, skill, and even preferences like less crowded or dog friendly. AI ensures you're not just taking any trail, you're taking the right trail for you. Packing smart with AI suggestions. We've all seen the videos, we've all checked out lighter packs, we've all held our packs one next to the other to see how they feel. Well, we've all packed for a trip overnight, right? With a lot more than probably what we should have packed. Well, here's where AI comes in. AI can help you by streamlining your packing lists. Tools like Packlight and the packing list use AI suggestions what you'll need based on factors like location, weather, trip duration, even trail conditions. Even more so, you can write in there, what do I pack for a diabetic? What do I pack with a child? What do I pack with a dog? They cut down on the guesswork, ensuring you're not carrying unnecessary weight while also keeping you prepared for whatever the trail throws at you. Give it a try. Hey, and here's one more example I'm going to show you next. But while you're waiting, do me a favor, hit like, hit subscribe so you can see more camping, backpacking, outdoor, Florida relevant videos, and tune in for more information. Check it out next.
What are some cool ways that artificial intelligence can help hikers and innovate backpacking?
AI can really transform hiking and backpacking in some cool ways. It can analyze trail data to offer personalized routes, factoring in difficulty, weather, and even crowds. AI-powered navigation tools can provide real-time guidance and adapt to your pace. Some apps can use AI to track wildlife sightings and alert you to potential hazards. AI can also suggest optimized packing lists based on the weather and terrain, helping you pack smarter and lighter. Plus, it can help with post-hike recovery by analyzing your movement data and offering suggestions for stretching and recovery.
Oh yeah, you got me. Well, hey, listen, I'm sure you assumed already, but this whole list right here and just these ideas brought to you by AI. Just log on, check out your favorite app, type in whatever you want. It's got you covered. Pretty neat, huh?